Hey, welcome. We're here in the order fulfillment area, and I have Peter Blair with Kiva Systems that's going to talk to you a little bit about the solutions that are being showcased here. Peter, tell us about what's going on.
Sure, Amy. So what Kiva does is mobile robotic warehouse automation. You'll see the system is in use behind us here. Small orange robots, positive inventory. What we've been running is picking demonstrations. We've been taking people from the audience, some of the attendees here at the conference, actually to come up and actually use the system to pick. Pick orders like they would for an e-commerce order or a store restocking order, all with sort of new technology. It's actually interesting. It's supply chain of the future. This is actually being used in a number of facilities already, but it's certainly cutting edge, and it's a lot of fun to show it to people and show how it works.
Great, good. Well, can you give us a little demonstration then of the order picking and how that works?
Sure.
The contest?
Sure. Actually, we want to step over to the pick station over here, so why don't we do that? Great. All right, so the way the basic system works is there's light-directed picking and light-directed put away for the orders, and all of the inventory is moved by the robots. So what happens is orders have arrived at the station via the system. These are the orders, containers I'm going to pick the order into, and then robots are going to start bringing inventory over. So the way this would work is, as a pod like this shows up, moves into this spot, the laser is pointing at an item down there. I would pick this item. Over here, one of the lights would light up, telling me to place it in here. I would hit that, turn back, and pick my next item. So there's a constant flow of goods coming by, and a constant work for the operator to pick the orders. Once the orders are full, once I've picked all of these orders, the robot's actually going to take this off to a shipping area to be shipped out to a customer.
Wonderful.
It's as simple as that. So lasers telling me what to do, screen telling me also what to do, lights telling me where to put it, I pick the orders, and I just stay busy all day long.
And it captures all that information.
It captures all that information. I don't have to walk up and down aisles looking for things, hunting for things. It all comes to me right here. It's a nice quiet work environment, and this is what I do.
That sounds great. So obviously there's a lot of labor savings with this system.
Yeah, so the main three things we like to talk about are productivity. So rather than walking around looking for stuff, the goods come to the person. So that's a big win. Accuracy, because we offer the scanning with the laser as well as scanning technology to ensure that it's the correct items and the correct quantities. And then the third is flexibility. So as we look out here, there are different types of items, everything from food items to CDs to office products to apparel items, all being handled by the same solution, by the same system. And so it's very flexible in terms of what you can do with it.
And obviously many different types of products can go on the same
shelves, so that you can basically keep the person here busy. The other thing is, this is actually a working operation. This is the same equipment that we send to customers. As a matter of fact, the robots were borrowed from a customer shipment. They'll actually go into these actual robots will go to a customer when we get done with the event.
That's great.
So it's a real working system. It's the same way we do it for a customer.
That's wonderful. Well, good. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Appreciate that.